everyone, welcome back to Tech Excellence 360, where we dive into the trending topics that matter to you. Today we are talking about something that is affecting both the young and the old: our increasing screen time and addiction to mobile phones. Whether you are a student, a working professional, or a senior, this issue touches all of us. So let's get into it. In India, the use of mobile phones has skyrocketed over the past decade. From toddlers to grandparents, everyone seems to be glued to their screens. But what does this mean for our health and well-being? Let's explore. First, let's look at the effects. For the young generation, excessive screen timing can lead to poor academic performance, reduced physical activities, and even mental health issues like anxiety and depression. Studies have shown that children who spend more than 3 hours a day on screen are more likely to have attention problem and sleep issues. For the elderly, excessive screen timing can cause eye strain, sleep disturbance, and lack of social interaction. Prolonged exposure to blue light from screen can disrupt sleep pattern, leading to insomnia. Moreover, the over-reliance on digital communication can reduce face-to-face interaction, increasing feeling of loneliness and isolation. The after effects are equally concerning. Youngers might develop poor posture, leading to chronic back and neck pain. They may also experience a decrease in attention span and creativity. Digital addiction can cause kids to miss out on essential social skills and emotional development. For the elderly, the after effects includes a high risk of cognitive decline. Spending too much time on screen can reduce cognitive function, affecting memories and decision-making skills. It can also lead to digital dementia, where overuse of digital technology results in symptoms similar to those of brain injuries. But don't worry, there is hope. Here are some solutions to help manage screen time and break the addiction. Set screen time limit. Use apps that track and limit your daily screen time. Both Android and iOS have built-in features for this. Setting boundaries helps in creating a healthy relationship with technology. Create tech-free zones. Designate areas in your home where phones are not allowed, like dining room or bedroom. This helps in promoting better sleep and family bonding. Engage in offline activities. Encourage hobbies that don't involve screens. Reading, gardening, or even playing board games can be great alternatives. These activities foster creativity and physical well-being. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break and look at something 20 feet away to reduce eye strain. The simple habits can protect your vision and prevent digital eye strain. Stay connected in real life. Make an effort to meet friends and family in person. Human interaction is irreplaceable. Plan regular meetups or family activities that do not involve screens. Additionally, it is important to educate both the young and the old about the potential risk of excessive screen time. Awareness is the first step toward change. Schools and community centers can organize workshops on digital awareness. Parents can set a good example by moderating their own screen time. Create a family media plan that outlines when and how devices can be used. This encourages responsible use of technology across all age groups. Remember, balance is key. Technology is a wonderful tool, but it is important to use it wisely. Let's make a conscious effort to unplug and reconnect with the world around us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more such content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, take care and stay balanced. Thank you.